You're going to get upset when you hear it. Got a lot of interference out there. Got a lot of goofballs tonight, Roger.
Yeah, copy that. I might have an antenna switch going bad, maybe.
Yeah, I got you throwing carriers, 30 pounds on me and everything else. Just being nasty. Music going on. What the hell is this?
George, give me a 10 count here, and I'll get you on the video.
Yeah, I think I got a bad antenna switch going here because my shit switch kind of dropped out of sight. Maybe that's what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, now you say something, Joe, so I can compare the two.
Okay, testing 1, 2, 3. You got 311 here in New York. It's going to be a test for 395. George, you got Joe 311 here in New York standing by.
All right, over and out.